Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I had a few requests about the gold analysis, so here I am doing it. This is a gold chart. Basically, I'm going to take you guys back a little bit in July 2022. This is the chart, the monthly chart for gold. This is the Elliott wave count. The current broker, let me show you this current chart. This is the wave 3, the big wave 3. And wave 1 and 2, I don't have that much chart in the background. I'm already as it is 2001. So, but this is obviously wave 3, followed by wave 4. And then wave 4 is followed by wave 5. So wave 5 will have 5 waves in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will end up somewhere here, higher than wave 3. Okay, so this is the idea. Now, this wave 5 will also have 5 waves in it, subwaves, right? Each 1, 3, and 5 waves can have 5 waves, sort of, right? So what will happen is that this wave 4 is going to go from wave 4 to wave 5 in 5 waves. That's the idea. That's the little wave count, right? So basically, with that, I made this chart also with the monthly chart, and this is on the 23rd July 2022 that this is wave 1, ABC 2, 3, ABC 4. Maybe it's going to stop at this support and then go up. Now, usually what happens is the wave 4 goes a little bit beyond wave C of 4 goes a little bit below wave A. And that's exactly what happened. Instead of bouncing from here, it bounced a little bit, then it came down a little bit more and made something like this. So it came down here and around just above 15, 22, 26, and like 1600, something like that, 1580, 1600, something like that. And that's what I said, that if it is wave 4 finish here, we're going to go up. And this is the weekly chart for that matter. So this was, like I said, that wave C of 4 goes a little bit below A, right? And after that, it goes for wave 5. That was the idea back there when I made the chart, this one, for wave 4 and wave 5. And same thing, wave 4 and wave 5, going to the upside, right? So now, if you look at this, that, 1, 2, 3, 4, and look what happened. Since then, if we start bouncing exactly from there, and then now powerfully going to the upside for wave 5. But we're not going to go in a straight line. What will happen here is, let's take a look at the weekly chart first. This is how the chart, I made this chart last weekend and for my subscribers. So wave A, B, C, finishing wave 4. And now we are going for wave 5. So somewhere here, above 1877 and 1916, 1912, 1920, this high. So between these highs, somewhere there, we should be able to go down. Maybe right from where we are now, or maybe we'll go up a little bit more, around 1900, and then drop, and then we will come down here somewhere in this area, 1721, 1677, and then bounce back up again for wave 5, wave 3 actually, wave 3 of 5. So this could be wave 1 of wave 5, this wave 5, okay, which you can see here, 80-minute chart. So the way we came down is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave C and wave 4 is finished here, which you can see here. This one right there. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave C, 4 finish here, and then this is wave 1. And now I'm expecting a drop. Like I said, that if in around this area somewhere there, we should be able to drop. Should be, right? I don't know if but I would say more than 90% chance that we're gonna drop. And tomorrow, Thursday, we have a couple of red news for USD. So let's see what happens. Maybe that will do the job. But yeah, I'm expecting a down move into this area before we go up. That would be wave 1 and 2, followed by wave 3, 4, 5 to the upside for wave 5. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting, and you can see that the entry chart is for my chart, like for example, all of these. Look at this chart here. This is my system providing the entries, right? And like even from, well, let's say, what is this here? 11 November 28, right? Let's say the end of December or the beginning of the December, November 28th, end of November, look how many entries, this one, 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 and it's keep going, right? This one for a little bit of trade here, and then again, this is the entry. All the time that this indicator is coming down and then the red candle turns blue, that is the entry, right? So this is the system that, and now it's extended now. Obviously, when it is extended, it drops. It's extended, drops. So I'm expecting here for wave 1 to finish up, and then we'll go for wave 2 somewhere, and then wave 2 would be probably A, B, C, and wave A will have small 5 waves, then B, then C, and so now from here on, I think we have a downside move coming in. So let's see what happens. Okay, so this is my take. Just wanted to share with you guys, and obviously had a few requests, so here it is, and manage yourself accordingly. All right. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.